Vaseline and turmeric will give you a youthful glow. If you've been struggling with dullness, dark spots, or uneven texture, this simple yet powerful recipe is your solution. To achieve this, start with 1 tablespoon of Vaseline. It's the base that locks in moisture, softens the skin, and seals in all the healing benefits of the other ingredients. Then add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel to calm irritation, fade blemishes, and boost skin renewal with its rich antioxidants and vitamins. Where are you watching the video from? Let me know in the comments. Mix in a pinch of turmeric. Just a little goes a long way to brighten the skin, even out dark spots, and fight acne with its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, loaded with fatty acids and vitamin E to deeply nourish and smooth the skin while improving elasticity. Smash the like button and subscribe if you found this helpful.